This is Lego my Lego 9 here, but I don't know if you can see me, but well, I mean it is fucking pitch black out here in the nighttime. But yeah, for those of you who don't see me, like I have officially arrived to Minnesota, so we're just gonna be pretty much camping, you know. Yeah, we're just camping like I told you on the short vlog yesterday. So excuse me. Sorry, that was very rude of me. Tomorrow might rain, but other than that, I might spend time watching some movies, but sometime this weekend we'll go fishing and for a swim. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Okay, everyone. So today is a beautiful morning. Of course, it might be cloudy or it might storm later tonight. Like, if it does storm, I'm probably just gonna end up hanging out watching some movies on the TV that's hooked up. But we'll see if I might go on a walk, but we'll see if we'll swim today or not. We might likely do it this weekend, like I said last night. So, some movies we've been watching over here. So last night I have watched Jurassic World Dominion for the fourth time, but it was the theatrical version. Still, I like Jurassic World Dominion no matter what. I do fucking love that trilogy. And this morning I've been watching some Pacific Rim. So this morning I've just watched the first one. Right now I'm just watching Uprising. Yeah, they're pretty good movies. And I'm drinking some fucking vodka. It's just water. It's just goddamn water. It'll keep you hydrated. Alright, everyone. It was just raining earlier, so we're gonna go get some food at the lodge. Yeah, it's gonna be some dinner. Alright, guys, I have just finished my food here at this lodge, which is a restaurant. Yeah, that food took so fucking long to come. I gotta say, the food was pretty damn good, and it was raining like fucking crazy earlier again, so holy shit. Okay, guys, today's gonna be sunny today. We're probably gonna go swimming, maybe fishing, but we're definitely gonna do some water skiing. That would be fucking fun. I have never water skied before, but still, it would be pretty fucking fun. Here's nature for all of you. Here's nature. The night's been pretty clear though, where you can see all the stars and stuff. All this shit. We're heading to the lake, you all. Heading to the lake. Okay, guys, we have just done some tubing. I tried water skiing, but I've struggled so much. Alright, guys, tomorrow we're gonna be heading home. Well, we were supposed to head home Monday, but as you can see, my mom has work going on, so we're gonna head home tomorrow. All in all, I did have a pretty damn good trip so far. So I guess I'll be seeing you guys on my last clip while we get back home, while we hit the road tomorrow. we do gotta keep this fire going. We're on our way home. Alright, everyone. A few hours ago, I just got home. When we were at Minneapolis, I have tried food from Cane's Chicken Fingers, and I thought it was delicious. And while I was at Minnesota, you probably saw that I did 2 YouTube shorts, which is the Off the Grid one and the fucking bear can. You know what? I do gotta give a brief warning about that YouTube short. It is age restricted, so I didn't age restrict it myself. YouTube did that. So yeah, you do need to be 18 to watch that YouTube short. But anyway, I'll be sure to get back to doing videos once again if there's any new, anything new, like any news regarding to like FNAF or, you know, Pop Playtime or anything else. As for Marvel, yes, I know that Marvel skipped San Diego Comic-Con. So if there are any announcements, you know, from Marvel Studios themselves, I'll be sure to do a video. But anyway, guys, that's my whole vlog on my camping trip to Minnesota. If you guys liked what you saw, make sure you click like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and join my Discord fan server. The link will be down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.